Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve Spotify locked account. To know how to fix or to solve Spotify locked account, you should just go to settings. Here on this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, here you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop. And you click OK. Here we go to click on storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, you can just go to click airplane mode to turn on here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.